Hello students, again welcome you in our YouTube channel Girls Classes, and this is your YouTube teacher Gajendra Singh. Now today we will discuss about Bravais lattice. Topic is unit cells of 14 types of Bravais lattice. In previous video lecture we discussed about 7 crystal system. Under 7 crystal system there are 40 variations. We talked about previous video lecture. Now in this video lecture we discuss in details type of 14 types of unit cells, that is called Bravais lattice. Bravais is a scientist name. Bravais scientist name. So there are 14 variations in 7 crystal system. Now we will discuss one by one all 14 types of Bravais lattice. So first crystal system, in previous video lecture we write a table. We talk about the table is very important. So first crystal lattice is cubic. याद करने के न्यूमोनिक क्यूट हूँ ओ हीर मैं तेरी. This is mnemonic to remember the 7 crystal systems. Cute हूँ ओ हीर मैं तेरी. So this is the mnemonic to understand and remember the 7 crystal system. Cu means cubic. This is tetragonal. Whom nothing else. O orthorhombic. He hexagonal. Here RH means rhombohedral. Me means monoclinic. This is monoclinic. And teri triclinic. So one by one we discuss about Bravais lattice. So first Bravais lattice. So there are 40 Bravais lattice. So let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So under cubic lattice there are 3 variations. 1, 2, 3. First, second and third. So there are 3 variations in crystal lattice. Cubic lattice. So in cubic lattice, in cubic lattice there are 3 variations. First is simple cubic, second body centered, and third is face centered. So what is in simple cubic? What is simple cubic? A simple cubic is that unit cell in which constituent particle present at corners only. Body centered are that unit cell in which constituent particles present at corners as well as in a one molecule, or we can say atoms, ions present in the body. One molecule present in the body. Rest of the all constituent particle present at the corners. So this is body centered, simple cubic, and face centered. So there are 3 variations in cubic. Third variation is face centered. Face centered is that unit cell in which constituent particle of unit cell of crystalline solids present at corners as well as present at faces. फेस पे भी क्या होंगे, प्रेजेंट रहेंगे. देयर आर 3 वेरिएशन 1 2 3. So there are three primary lattice in undercubic lattice. Now further we discuss about second crystal lattice is for tetragonal lattice. Second is cute whom o he मैं तेरी क्यूट हूँ ओ हीर में तेरी क्यूट हूँ ओ हीर में तेरी। तो इस तरह से ये दिस इज द न्यूमेरिक, दिस इज द easiest way to understand and remember this these crystal these seven type of crystal system. So second crystal system is tetragonal lattice. So in tetragonal lattice there are only two variations. So first is primitive and second is body centered. If we talk about tetragonal, so there are two crystal lattice. One is simple cubic and other one is body centered. So primitive we talk about in this cubic lattice. So same primitive unit cell is that cell in which constituent particle present at only corners. So this is primitive. And what about is edge length. So edge length A and B will be equal with each other, but C does not equal to A and B. So A equal B but does not equal to C in tetragonal lattice. If we talk about simple unit cell, if we talk about what about axial angles, so axial angles, all three angles are equal to 90 degree, which is shown on the green board. Alpha equal beta equal gamma equal 90 degree. So there are all angles equal to 90 degree in simple unit cell. Now further we discuss about body center. So there are two variations in under tetragonal lattice. One is simple and second one is body centered. So body centered at that unit cell in which constituent particle present at corners as well as one molecule or atoms present in the body. This is a particle present in the body के inside. So what about edge length? Edge length same, A equal B does not equal to C, but angle, all three angles, all axial angles equal to 90 degree. So there are first variable lattice, second, third, and this is fourth variable lattice, and this is fifth variable lattice. 1, 2, 3. There are three variable lattice under in crystal lattice. There are two variable lattice under in tetragonal lattice. Now third crystal lattice, orthorhombic lattice. Orthorhombic. Cute whom O. Third crystal lattice is orthorhombic. Orthorhombic lattice. So in orthorhombic lattice there are four variations. There are 4 unit cell. There are all 4 unit cell. We know that types of unit cell. There are 4 unit cells under in central unit cell. So primitive, body centered. This is primitive unit cell, and these are what? These are the central unit cell. So under central unit cell there are three. There are 3 unit cell: body centered, face centered, and end centered. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is sixth variable lattice. So sixth variable lattice. This is primitive. If we talk about orthorhombic, so first unit cell is primitive. So in primitive, if we talk about axial length, so axial length should not equal with each other. A does not equal B, B does not equal C. So there are all axial angles different with each other. If we talk about axial angles, so axial angles all are equal to 90 degree, which is clearly shown in figure. Alpha equal beta equal gamma equal 90 degree. So this is very important thing, which is remember to you. And further we discuss about next variations. This is sixth, seventh variations. So seventh is body centered. Body centered, all crystal particles present at corners as well as in one molecules present in the body. So same axial angles and axial length, same all orthorhombic variations. So these are the same. These same. So for orthorhombic, all alpha A does not equal B or does not equal C, and alpha equal beta equal gamma equal 90 degree. So this is the common thing for the all variations. If we talk about orthorhombic lattice. Now this is 6, 7 and this is 8th Bravais lattice, and this is 9th Bravais lattice. 9th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we complete 3 crystal lattice, cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic. Now we move next crystal lattice is monoclinic lattice. According to this, we approach hexagonal. So according to mnemonic, we proceed hexagonal. So we talk about this is 4 and this is 5, this is 7 and this is 6. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. Cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, hexagonal, rhombohedral और ये monoclinic and triclinic. So there are all 7 crystal systems. So if we move on hexagonal, so next crystal lattice, that is number is 4 number hexagonal. So hexagonal has a one variations. One lattice unit cell, that is simple. Hexagonal has only one variations. Simple. So simple cubic means that unit cell in which all crystal particles present at only corners. So all crystal particles present at corners. So this is the constituent particle which is shown in this figure. What about axial length? So axial length A and B equal to each other, but does not equal to third A's length, that is C. So if we talk about axial angles, so axial angles alpha and beta also equal to 90 degree, but not equal to gamma. Gamma is 120 degree because this is the hexagonal crystal lattice. So that's why a third angle, that is gamma, is 120 degree. So this is 9 and this is 10. 10th crystal lattice. Now we move at 5th crystal lattice is rhombohedral. So rhombohedral has one variations. So one variation means simple. Simple unit cell. So simple unit cell. This is simple unit cell because all crystal particles present at only corners of the unit cell. And if we talk about edge length, so edge length, all edge length equal to each other. A equal B equal C. But if we talk about axial angles, so axial angles alpha, beta and gamma does not equal to 90 degree. So these all angles equal but not equal to 90 degree. So this is the rhombohedral. So 10 and this is 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now monoclinic. So for six crystal lattice, is monoclinic lattice according to mnemonic monoclinic. Q, O, E में monoclinic. So monoclinic contain two variations. So first is simple and second one is end centered unit cell. So simple unit cell clearly we can discuss about. Simple unit cell or constituent particle present at corners only. If we talk about axial length, so axial length is not equal to with each other. A does not equal to B does not equal to C. So they are all three edge length will be different with each other. If we talk about axial angles, so axial angle alpha and gamma equal 90 degree, but beta not equal 90 degree. So this is the 12th Bragg lattice, and this is 13. 13 Bragg lattice. That is end centered unit cell of that unit cell in which constituent particle present at corners as well as a one pair of constituent particle present at opposite faces. So if we opposite faces means this. So end centered axial. If we talk about axial length and axial angles, so same. A does not equal B does not equal to C, alpha equal gamma in 90 degree, but beta not equal 90 degree. So same. So 12 and 13, and last one is 14 unit cell. XIV 14. So last crystal system is crystal system triclinic. So triclinic has one variation, that is simple unit cell. If we have a triclinic shape, if we have a crystalline solid in triclinic shape, so a crystalline particle present at corners only. If we have a crystalline solid in the shape of triclinic, so constituent particle present at corners only. So that's why this is 14 Bragg lattice. So this is complete. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So cubic lattice contain 4 variations. इधर साइड में cubic contain 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 variations. So tetragonal, have a 2 variations. 2 primitive and body center. Orthorhombic. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 variations. Hexagonal. 1 variation. Rhombohedral. Proclinic. Two variation, 1 2, and last one is triclinic, one variation. Add these variation, 3 plus 2 5, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 2 14. So that is 14 Bravelatis. Brave means Brave is scientist name, and this is 7 crystal system. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So this is the crystal system, 7 crystal system, and this is variations. So this is 14 variable lattice. So I hope ये जो सारा मटेरियल था ये आपको समझ में आया होगा। तो ये आज का जो वीडियो लेक्चर है ये भी फिनिश होता है। उसमें जो भी आपके पास क्वेरी हो उसको उस में से मेरे साथ शेयर कीजिए, कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कीजिए। सो इसको अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा तो इसको शेयर कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच।